Happy Saturday, y'all. It's the Saturday before Memorial Day. So I went out. We had a graduation program for our graduates at church. And so I left there and I wanted to get some of the things I needed for my Memorial Day meal. But so I got me y'all know I love, if you don't, I love watermelon. So I was told when you're picking a watermelon, you want to see when it has a yellow spot. That means that this where it's set on the ground. If it's yellow like that, it should be right. So prayerful it is. It was only $3.99. If it's good, I get me another one. I got jumbo eggs, y'all. These were $1.49 for 12. So I went ahead and got 2. So I got 18 for $3. That's really a good buy. I got me some jumbo hamburger buns. I got some brisket in my refrigerator. I think I'm going to have brisket sandwiches tonight. Tomorrow we're actually going to barbecue instead of waiting until Memorial Day. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do it tomorrow. And then I'll just chill to Memorial Day and just add some stuff to my eBay. Anyway, so I got some Vanderkamp pork and beans. I got 3 of those. I maybe should get 1 more for tomorrow. I got my, and I have some of this, but I went ahead and got fresh to make my dirty rice. I use this along with the reshort. I usually would use the Savoys, but the reshort now has like a low and slow cook taste, which adds to the flavor of my. All you do is just taste these two, the vegetables and your rice, and you have a very good dirty rice. I got my potatoes. Some of these are huge, almost like baked potatoes. Some of these are big. I got bell pepper, green onion, and white onion. I'm gonna make a little potato salad, so I got the sweet pickle relish, Mount Olive. You got to use Mount Olive. I'm making, my family want a cake, so I'm doing a butter recipe cake, the white almond sour cream cake, and for something like this, I don't have to have Daisy sour cream. So if I'm baking a cake, it doesn't have to be Daisy. But like if I'm making mac and cheese or whatever, I want the best, the best. So I got some bacon to go in my baked beans. This is the sugar there, the kind of ham I like. So I want to try the bacon. And then I got some cheese, mild cheddar, Kobe Jack, and Mexican. These were $1.99. So I don't have anything to cook with them now. They're just going to go in my freezer for later. And that's really all I have. I got, y'all know I shop all the time. So I'm going to do chicken wings and ribs. I don't think I'm going to do anything else because for my son's birthday, we're on a barbecue. So I don't want to do too much right now. We'll just wait and do that for his birthday. And this has a glare or something on it. All right, y'all. Let's see. Why is it looking like that? Is that better? I don't know. Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by. It's our love over here. Welcome our new subscribers. Talk to y'all later. Bye.